Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your OLED smart sock which keeps disconnecting. So here's a fix for your connection stability and reconnect. Fix 1, check the distance. Keep the smart sock and base station within 10 to 15 feet, which is 3 to 5 meters. Remove walls or large metal objects between them. Fix 2, charge the sock. Place the sensor on the charging dock until it is fully charged. A low battery can cause frequent disconnection. Fix 3. Check your Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone and OLED base station are connected to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if your OLED model requires it. Restart your router if the connection is weak. Fix 4. Restart the base station. Unplug the base station from power. Wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in and allow it to reconnect. Fix 5. Restart the OLED Dream app. Close the app completely and reopen it and check if the sock reconnects. Fix 6. Update the app and firmware. Install the latest version of the OLED Dream app. If a firmware update is available for the sock or base station, install it. Fix 7. Repair the smart sock. Remove the sock from the app. Add it again by following the pairing instructions in the app. Fix 8. Check for sock placement. Make sure the sensor is attached correctly and the sock fits snugly on your baby's foot. Fix 9. Factory reset if needed. If the problem continues, perform a factory reset on the smart sock and pair it again. Fix 10. You need to contact your OLED support if none of the fix works. If the stock will disconnect after trying these steps, contact your OLED support. The device may need further troubleshooting or any replacement. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.